Today on Action RC, I have Kyle.
Mongello.
Hey, tell us about this beautiful F-16. What do we got going on?
So this is the BVM 1/5 scale F-16. It's in the 50th anniversary Danish scheme. So it's supposed to be a F-16A, and they actually just retired them this year. So they don't fly the F-16 anymore at all.
This is your newest one?
This is the newest airplane that I've got, yeah.
And how do you like this one?
Amazing. BVM knocked it out of the park with this thing.
How many flights have you got on this one?
At least 15, maybe 20. So, and I just got it flying last weekend. So,
and tell us about your engine you have.
Yeah, so it's a Jetmont 250, and it's set up with a Spectrum receiver and the Synapse. And I've flown it with the Cortex, and the Synapse is way better, way smoother.
You like it a lot better?
Way better. And Spectrum is just so easy to set up. I would recommend Spectrum just from a setup standpoint.
Tell us about your fuel capacity and how much flight time you get on this.
Yeah, so the other F-16 I have has a 300 in it. That'll get about 7.5 minutes. I set the same timer for this just because I like doing the landings the most. But with the 250 in here, I think you could push it up to 8 or 9 minutes easily. There's a bunch of fuel left over, and so yeah, that's it.
Tell us a thing that you love about flying this jet.
The landings.
The landings?
The landings are just unmatched. It's so much fun. Yeah, I mean, I can just come in, bank super hard, and land in 200, 300 feet. That's all I need.
Nice. So, well, it looks fantastic in the air. I can't wait for you guys to see the video. It's coming up next. Thank you so much for being on Action RC. All right. Also, we have jets over California, 2026 coming up. Last weekend of April into May. It's going to be right here at Peg Field, hosted by Clovis RC. Are you going to be here for that one?
I'll be there.
All right, nice. We're going to see this guy here. We're going to see a ton of people here, a ton of pilots. Our big annual thing that goes on here. Jets over California. Now let's get to the video. Let's go.